Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to move your contact in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to Contact. In this case, click here. That's right, click on the Manage Contacts and click on the Move Contacts. And you can choose the select where you move your contacts from. So we're going to choose the SIM1, choose a few contacts which you want to move. Done. And now select where to move these contacts to. Yep. And so in this case we're gonna move contacts to the SIM2. Move the contact to SIM card. Yes. Move. And as you see, 5 contacts has been moved from the SIM1 to SIM2. And that's pretty easy to do, so I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!